Have you ever looked at your life and thought, I've lost too much time, too many years gone, too many mistakes made, too much pain endured? You wonder, is it too late for me? Let me tell you right now, God will restore you. Not just your peace, not just your joy, but the years, the time, the seasons you thought were wasted. Joel 2:25 says, I will restore to you the years that the locust hath eaten. Now in the Old Testament, locusts were a symbol of total devastation. When they came, they consumed everything. Crops, harvests, futures, wiped out. And maybe your locusts didn't have wings. Maybe they came in the form of betrayal, divorce, depression, broken dreams, or years you gave to people who didn't value you. But here's the good news, God saw it all. And He didn't forget what was taken from you. Can time really be restored? Can something that's gone come back better? Yes. Because God doesn't operate like the world does. Restoration isn't just about getting back what you lost, it's about getting back more than you had before. I remember a woman I used to work with, we will call her Patrice. She was in her late 30s, recently divorced, with 2 kids, and working 2 jobs that drained her. One day, we were talking and she said, I wasted my best years on a man who never saw me. In that moment, I looked her straight in the eyes and said, no you didn't, your best years are not behind you. They're in front of you, and God is not done, as a matter of fact He's just getting started. 2 years later, she went back to school, finished her degree, started her own small business. Her children are thriving. And she says now with tears in her eyes, God restored things within me I didn't know I could get back. My self-worth, my finances, my confidence. God has done so much. So what about you? What were your locusts? Was it the relationship you gave everything to? The years you were deep in survival mode, raising kids, burying your own dreams just to keep everyone else afloat? Maybe you put your purpose on pause because of fear, burnout, or life just hitting hard. But I came here today to remind you, God is a restorer. He specializes in comebacks. He will not just give you back what you lost, He will redeem the time. What if the very thing that tried to break you was the soil God is using to plant your future? What if nothing was wasted? Not the pain, not the waiting, not the tears. What if God is getting ready to show you that your comeback story was being written the whole time? Joel 2:25 isn't just a verse. It's a promise. I will restore to you the years that the locust hath eaten. That means every lost year, every delay, every time you thought, it's too late for me, God is redeeming it. You are not too old. You are not too far gone. You are not forgotten. God is not finished with your story. So tonight, or whenever you're watching this, take a breath. Let God whisper this over your heart, I will restore you. He hasn't forgotten. He's not ignoring you. He's preparing something far greater than what you lost. And if this message spoke to you today, do me a favor, like this video. Share it with someone who needs to know they're not too far gone. And subscribe to the Daily Bloom so we can continue walking in truth, together.